High ping in Fortnite can lead to lag and a frustrating gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you lower your ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are significantly lower than what you're paying for, contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. This can reduce interference and provide a more stable connection, which is crucial for online gaming. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth, such as streaming services, downloads, or other online games. This will free up your internet connection for Fortnite. Step 4. Change server region. In Fortnite, go to the settings and change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings by enabling quality of service (QoS) to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider rebooting your router or updating its firmware to improve performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Fortnite. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.